1973, Sabaduri became part of Tbilisi National Park, and Tbilisi National Park was the first national park in Georgia. Approximate elevation of this forest is started from 700 meters above the sea level, and it's up to 1,600 meters. So, in this forest, we got so many walking trails, also picnic areas. Still, some parts are under construction. For example, there will be restaurants. They are preparing to make coffee shop or something like that. It became a national park from 1973. However, after 10 years, it lost the status, and in 2007, it became national park one more time. So, the unique of this forest is that all time it's really beautiful. The November is the only month where it's not looks really nice, but during the winter season everything is covered with snow and it looks like a fairy tale. I will show you the videos later. It's really beautiful. All trees, the ground is covered with snow. During spring and summer, because of blooming flowers, trees, it's also very nice. And during the autumn, but like early autumn, when the leaves are colorful and falling in the ground, it's really beautiful also. So for the Georgians, it's one of the favorite place to have a picnic, or for example purpose, or have a birthday here or something. This place is really popular. So we can go there somewhere, take some pictures. Any questions? So most of the trees are beech, birch, oak, different trees we have. And we meet some jackals, wolves, and different foxes and different animals. Also we have in this, and sometimes deers.
I-open mong ano dom. Data.
So Sabaduri on Balkan is like that. Yeah. This is the unique of this forest. It looks like that.
But now different.
Different na. Patay na yung mga dahon.
Laglag na.
Maganda din sana ito na yung ano sa
last year our government decided to build something only last year. Before it was just a national park, that's it.
No amenities like
Nothing,
this.
yeah. It had nothing to
Only trees and
Yes.
you can camp.
the leaves.
Dahon na ano,
Yung bagong tubo.
yung mga orange,
Oo.
taon. Pau.
Time daw sa autumn.
Oo,
Orange.
orange
The,
color.
the leaves will turn orange. It's the time of autumn. Right? Maybe it looks beautiful.
It
You
is.
just imagine.
Yeah. Yun yung nakita ko sa Google. Ay, yung ganda doon. Ay, doon ako lang
Yeah,
naganda.
for now, like as I said, November is the
Yeah.
worst period to this mountain for this forest. Otherwise, all other seasons are very nice.
How about December? What's the
During this snowing, it's beautiful.
Nice.
But when snow is start melting,
It will be.
it's dirt messy. And nothing interesting happens.
December it will start the snow.
We hope it will start. Yeah. Last year in November, in this month, there was snow.
Ayan, itatag werewolf. Ayan, di ba ito sa mga palabas? Kanang mga
Gawas
werewolf.
dia itong yung manakit ang ina, itong sanan.
Ah, tigdi itong... Na yung mga werewolf. Pero sa palabas yun na horror. Na-added.
Vampire.
Na-added siya dito sa unahan. Bakutungdan. Buong-buong ng tabayahan na ito. Tindog lagkal. Kanag siya. Tapos nakatanaw sa kandila na ano. Bagay liwok ba? Puta.
Nag-apang siya sa imuha, nagbulat siya sa imuha.
Wala man siya tanaw sa kuapod. Tapos may kanang kung sa tong itsura sa nan. Mao gito. Tapos nga nung paggawas niya wa man siya make up. Kita tagkuan do ba na daw na dire. Kaion ba pwede mong ihit dire sa kilid. Kasi manuno ta dire mong ihit ta sa kilid. Pwede pa tama dito?
Ewan ko kay balik.
Di ba ingon siya pwede daw mag...
Di ba siguro?
Nabatoy dalan.
Napa may balibaran dito.
Asa? Dili. Dili ba ka ni? Basta na dalan, pwede na. Mabay bitin dire.
Why bitin dito section? Magwirang mo lang. Asa man tutuyok? Wala pa din.
Ako bitin. Ah. Nakakabutang ah. Sa tabi tourist center. Mount Sabaduri. Sabaduri Ranger Station. Picnic area. Visitor center. Sa tabi tourist shelter dito daw sa banda. Mount Sabaduri dito. Sabaduri Ranger Station.
Amphitheater po. Amphitheater.
Asa?
Amphitheater.
Asa dira?
Sa baba.
Sa baba. To dira. Ito, 2021. May dalan. Ihipon ba eh? Hindi mo siguro mangihi dire?
Parang wala pa man siguro.
Ha?
Wala pa.
Kasi wala.
Wala pa yung kuhaan.
Ingon,
Hindi pa lang nila. Ba't lang?
di ba gingon yun na ay magpakaon tagber? Asa man to?
Kung na yung makita.
Ha? Ay siya kung na makita ber.
Ah.
Pakaon na to. Yeah, wild bear na. Buang di siguro.
Ito na to. Mapwede ba makaanto yung wild boar?
Ito dala wild boar. Pwede pa kaon. Gusto ko makita fox.
Mawara may itsura.
Kita na ba ka fox?
Dito. Matar.
Wala po kitag fox eh.
Anak ko dala oh. Sa yung picture. Mawara yung itsura ka.
Gusto ko nag live boy. Makita ina ko.
Hindi ka kitagpak sa Saudi.
Wala.
Naalis na maglabang-labang sa dalat. Gusto mo?
Wild lang.
Oo.
Di ba man Saudi? Iro ba?
Panglumbang ngero.
Ang iro sa dalan. Askal.
Lagi. Pero yung ilong niya ba ano?
Pero mga askal. Kita niya. Kasi may makita tabao diri sa bao na lang. Kato na picture. Hindi dalan ba diri. Wala siguro signal. Okay. Dapat mag-wait lady.
Mga story ano ba?
Dito kayo na sa CR.
Dito?
Ambak akong kalag dito kayo na.
Did you see like a white lady?
Na? No. Did you see the movie Nun? The Nun?
Yeah.
Because I go to the toilet. Then there is one window, small window, under is candle.
Yeah.
He just standing like that. I don't know it's a statue or a real person. No, I was scared.
Where?
No, in the, remember in the toilet, in what from yeah. I asked you where's the toilet to make go
Yeah,
down.
yeah, yeah.
So I go there. There's small window, right?
Yeah.
And that window there is candle.
Yeah.
And then she is standing there like that in the window. I was shocked, no. Again, there is a window.
Security siguro to yan.
There is a window. Kaya wala man siya ingon niya dito daw. Like, kuratan ko, nag-anak ito. Gilili pa ako ulit.
Yeah, okay.
Kuan da ito, nagbantay.
Bantay ko yan. Bantay bahaya dito.
Oh, piso. Lami kaingnan ba? Tay ay pagpahadlok ti oy. Kasabot lang to Bisaya.
Wow! Ayun pala. One more. One more.
So we all can do that. I have sanitizer. I will.
Yan na lang siguro. Okay, go. Yay! Huli ka na. Stay tayo. O, dali ka. Stay tayo. Laman na ni Garillo. Uy, naman so. Yung kami na. Down. Picture tayo tayo ate. Kamuya.
Dire, sa likod.
Likod.
Oh, background.
Show me heart.
Heart daw, ha?
Wow.
Heart.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Yay.
Thank.
Okay. Oh. Sige na, video na.
Would you like the video?
There's an amphitheater down.
Down?
Mm.
I don't know. Is there?
Because I saw an arrow and he's telling there's an amphitheater.
You know, maybe it's
Maybe
new. Maybe it's still under construction.
Ah, okay.
Because before there was no any buildings, structures. It's just a forest. But maybe it's a new thing.
Okay.
We're still we still exploring this.
Exploring. Improving.
Yeah, and for us, like about 2 months ago, this was not here.
Okay.
This new.
Yeah.
Very new.
Mm. Oh.
Also, when we go down, you will found like picnic areas. Before there was nothing. There was nothing.
I saw wild boars there. In the
Yeah.
picture.
Yeah, there are.
Do you eat wild boars?
No.
No. Okay.
But there is wild boys here around.
Yeah. In the forest there are.
There. Can we go there?
Would you like to try hunting?
Yeah.
We like to eat the meat, the face.
We have farm pigs. No need.
Not the wild.
Not the wild.
So Georgians only eat chicken, sheep, cow, and pig. Nothing.
Nothing more. Huh?
Okay.
Not horses, not snakes, not. Oh, but in one region of Georgia we have the tradition of snails, like in France.
Snails.
Yeah,
Basi pero sa kuhol sa atin.
Oh, kohol.
like in France we have.
Small snails.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But I not try. Interesting, like any other pet. Snakes.
Siya ang nag-enjoy sa ano. One more. Huwag kang mag-isan daw. Kahapon bato.
Kalakit ka ng bato.
Sabi niya dun sa tita niya, I have something for you, surprise mama. Sabi niya, what's that? Sabi niya, bato. Panghilod mo.
Pangigo.
So the country is quite small, but we've got many national parks.
I think
I think only 69,000 square kilometers. Small. And the population in Georgia is maximum 4 million.
for me only.
Yeah. That's and in Georgia you can find tea, black tea. We have Caucasus Mountains. Also we have small deserts. It's a small country but we have deserts also. Yeah. And for example, in one day you can try all these things. Many waterfalls, lakes.
Different tour package.
Yes. Government doesn't control this. In general, it's a light side or left side, but it should be left side. But for example,
Gigutom naman ko yate. Ion pagigay ko. Pwede bang ihi dyan, boss?
Kana lang kayo ba si Andren?
Hindi, dyan oh. Kilid ba? Tabi lang. Tabi. Sig nunuon ta. Basta yung mga werewolf dira.
Kita na yung pack dyan.
Wala man.
maybe the woman from the chemicals was a nun.
Yes.
Really, I was scared. Really, when I go to that, I was scared. Because she's not moving. And then suddenly she came out. One gel. What?
Hey, we will see these brown bears later.
This one.
Yes. In Georgia we have only brown bears, and they are in a one sanctuary. So, and this forest is from the twilight, maybe.
Twilight. Because of this.
are using the say in a souvenir shop. If I will find out this, I will show you. The horn in Georgia is a different kind of cloth for the wine, and it's like you can put so many wines inside, and any name can drink your wine. It means that it was sold and was sold in Georgia.
Different type of wine. One glass.
No, there's nobody here.
She's looking for the birds.
Hiking trails are also popular for the hiking experience sake, but it takes approximately 1 hour, and there is a different kind of course you can go in with people.
For the hike. Okay. Sabaduri. Tbilisi. Silawan na to ilang port niya.
Mm. Tara, tara, baby.
Asa na? Aray ko.
Oops.
So this trip in a picture is really nice. So we can take pictures here. Maganda sa snow.
Yun eh.
Oh, tara. Tara, may ano pa, may sasakyan.
Maybe after the car
Yup.
you can sit in the middle or of the road or stand or walk. Anything you want to try. Okay.
Yan. Ana? Ah. Silaw kayo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Can you move a little bit left side, right side, please? That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1. Break the car. Break the car.
Against the light eh, silaw. Aywa. Oh, isa pa.